Good morning, beautiful Bravehearts. I hope you all are having an amazing day so far. Wherever you're at in the world, could be the evening, could be the morning, but I hope you have a beautiful day. I'm just wanting to hop on here and tell you where I'm at. So I'm in Melbourne, Australia for the next 12 days or 10 days, finishing up some non-surgical on some wonderful clients. From there, I will be going to Bonita Springs, Florida, where we will be teaching the whole life coach and the Wolf non-surgical. And then from there on, I'm going to be setting up in Dallas, where one of our distribution and training centers will be. Then I got to bounce around a little bit, and this year in Florida, in middle of October towards the end of November, is going to be the last New World Practitioner training that we have for this year. And then next year, I think we're going to be starting off with Ixtapa, Mexico, and then I'm going to be coming back to Melbourne, Australia as well. So it'll be kind of like M&Ms, and we are going to hit both of those places, and that'll be the beginning before we head on to our second world tour. But I just want to say, yesterday, and I've been dealing with a lot of clients out here, but it's so interesting how easily we get we allow that fear mongering to come into us, and how we allow ourselves to think that God made junk. You are something so special. You need to hold on to that every single day. You woke up today. And you need to feel that in your heart and fill yourself up with all that self-love, because you deserve the world. And so I had this beautiful girl come in, and she's 40 years old. 40 years old. That's not even getting close to what half your life could be. And goes to the hospital, and she's a nurse, and they're saying, we were dealing with her shoulder yesterday, but they're saying that they want to book her in for hip surgery. God doesn't make junk. If something is starting to go wrong, why are we not taking massive personal action to figure out why that area is starting to let go on us? Is it me not feeling fortified in my next steps and moving forward? Is it me not, maybe I'm slightly pooping in my pelvis and I'm starting to have waste start to seep out of my small and large intestine into my bloodstream, which is causing nearby tissue and bone to start to disintegrate and inflame, which your body then has to alkaline your body to keep everything buffered down. So then we're going to start pulling calcium from specific areas. So it's about really being mindful of that. Like I said, God does not make junk. You are so special. So why are we not taking care every single day, waking up, making sure I'm hydrated, making sure I'm putting the right nutrition into my body? Maybe you're a little bit lower, so we need some nutraceuticals to come on in there. So there's a whole thing about having your perfect day, and what is a perfect day? And it's creating it for yourself. But sometimes things progress and they do adhere, so we got to go in with that wolf non-surgical and lovingly pull that tissue apart so we can create that healthy blood flow, that lymph flow, to go in and reconstruct that tissue. It is super important. But I just want to say, you are so special, and people need to honor that. You can't go out there to the doctors, to just the general public, if they are not going to care for you first. You are important. And so sometimes it is just about feeding their bottom line, their bottom dollar. It's not looking at you as a whole, as a beautiful spiritual being this is just physical. So I know that this will break down one day. But why am I not connecting to that higher power of what I truly am, knowing that internally I can change if I'm going to make those changes? And so it's just about taking those small steps every day. I hope everybody is having a beautiful one. Check out BraveHeartNation.com if you are interested in what we do or taking any of our trainings. Other than that, maybe you'll catch me along the road one day. Have a beautiful day, everybody, and we'll see you in the next one.